Here I'm taping a butt joint. Mud's pretty runny. I like it runnier. I just apply it with a 6-inch knife. Liberal over the top of the joint. So you can still see your seam. So you mud down, grab your tape, rough it out. Sometimes I'll go along with it. So on the tape you can see there's a little seam right here. The back side of it is humped out to where if you're going to do a 90 it would be like that. Make sure that the hump is towards the wall. So then I just apply it. I like that. I run my fingers down it just to kind of set it. Clean your knife off, hold the top, get it started, then go back up. This is probably pretty firm pressure, but not too much where it pulls all the mud out of the back. I'm just working my way down. Don't worry about this stuff on the sides so much. You can always come back and clean that up. I get to the bottom and I'll kind of turn my knife each direction. Clean it out. So once I get it all nice and applied, I'll come down with the same pressure all the way down. Again, turn the knife to the bottom. Scrape off the excess. Just like that. Some guys will come through and tear off the excess at the bottom. Again, my mud's not too runny. Not quite falling off the trough. That's a butt joint. I'm doing horizontals, and then I'll come back tomorrow and I'll do some inside corners.